back to Holden's versus Ford's. This is Heat 3. Macy, we saw Holden take a bit of a nosedive out of Heat 2. Team Ford taking the lead. What are your thoughts going into Heat 3 tonight?
Well, what a magnificent fight back it was by Ford. They came into the round as underdogs, walked out as favourites with a 3-point lead over Holden. Holden have got some work to do because they didn't look like they was the same team they were in the first heat. Let's hope today, for their sake, they can get back on the board with some points.
Fingers crossed Holden can do it tonight. Driving first up for Team Holden is Phil Fury. He's driving the number 2 red Commodore. And right alongside of him is James Clement. He's in the white Holden Ute. Go Team Holden.
Driver number 1 today for Ford is a Jew GJ driving the Black Falcon. Driver number 2 in the number 21 Aussie male broadband Falcon, it's Jeffrey Thunder.
Thank you, Macy. Team Ford are looking very strong. Let's get up to the start gate and get this program underway.
Well, you can really feel the tension around the racetrack today. Holden versus Ford, it just doesn't get any bigger than that in Australian racing. It's close on the leaderboard, only 3 points separate these two teams, and I'm sure that they'll have that in the back of their mind, trying to keep their cars straight to get the maximum out of their machines today. Good luck to all cars, good luck to all drivers, and good luck to both teams. Well, that was some sensational racing. Let's check out the scoreboard with James Clement moving on through in that white Commodore Ute. He's on 11 points. He'll shoot on through with Jeffrey Thunder, representing Ford in the Team Aussie Male Broadband Falcon.
And leading the competition tonight is Edu GJ driving the black Ford for Team Ford. And also driving for Team Holden is Phil Fury in the number 2 Commodore. This is the end of the line for you guys tonight. Hopefully we will see you back on the track in 2022.
Let's have a look at the fastest time tonight. That was Edu GJ in the black Ford Falcon. He rocked around in a time of 13.680.
And here's your team scores for Heat 3. Holden on 58 and Ford on 56.
Well, it was all Team Ford in this one until Edu GJ rolled the Falcon. Phil Fury cruised on past and said, "See you later. I'll have those 4 points for Team Holden."
Race 4, we see a nice battle between Ford and Holden here. However, Ford went over, and look at Phil Fury right over the top, and he took the rail and was consequently wiped out of that race.
Well, this was another really close race until Edu in that black Falcon took over. He got a little bit excited when he seen the home turn and managed to get himself up on the rails. He got out of control, and that left Holden to go home for a 1-2 finish. Great race for Holden.
Well, that's a wrap from tonight's event. Once again, thank you to our sponsors. Thank you to Macy, our co-host, and Mark D, our engineer and mechanic on duty. Until next time, we will catch you later.